Hello everyone. So I am continuing the level topic only. So in this video we'll see if you just accidentally place your level at a wrong height basically. So if you just wanted to change the height, so how you can. So for that I will first draw the level. You can see this one is showing the level height. So let's see, I'm just randomly draw this level and see level 1 and this one I'm just drawing it randomly, right? So to exit from the command I will press two times of escape button, right? Okay, so I just exit from the command, right? So you can just see here is a 4,000 and this one is 3,500. Basically I just wanted to, this one is a 4,000 and you can see this one is a 3,800, right? So I just wanted to be a uniform height for the all floors. So for that, if I just change from the upper one, for that basically if you just wanted to change this height, if you select this level and you can see this height you can see on this field. So either you can change by this way or you can just click here and still you can see you can just change by here, right? So what is difference between these two? If you just click on this level and if you just make the changes in the height, then this level will move up and down with respect to your whatever you have just made the changes here, right? Let me show you. If I just make it as a 4,000 mm, press enter. See, this level line has moved little bit up, right? Now let me show you for this one. You can see, let me show you with this one. You can see this one is a 4 meter and this one is 3,500 meter. And I just selected this line. So if I just make the changes here, then this line will only move up, right? And this one remain at their location. This level line will remain at their location. Which whatever level line I will select, that will only move, right? Let's see if I just wanted to make it as 4,000 meter, press enter. So you can see this level line has only moved and this is at their location. So the respective height of this is decreased. Earlier it was a 4 meter, right? Let's see if I just change here. This one is a 4 meter. I just wanted to make it as a 5 meter, right? I have just selected this one, right? So what will gonna happen, it this level line will move 1 meter down, right? Let me show you. Currently you can see this one is a 4 meter, right? So I will just press enter and you can see this line, because I just selected this level line, that's why it just moved down by 1 meter, right? So if I just wanted to I just wanted to make all them uniform. So basically what I need to do, I will just start from the bottom, right? So first I will make it as a 4,000 meter, right? And see, this one is a 4,000. Now let me check this one. For this one, I will just click here and make it as a 4,000 and press enter. In this way, you can just adjust your level line, right?